Hey everyone, I am prepping for a feedback meeting with the school team for a young client who is autistic and has a lot of anxiety. And I want to show you how I'm going to be using AI to create some materials to really help the team understand this child's profile. If you like what you see, you want to learn more, please join us on Friday, March 7th. I'm going to be showing you a million different ways to use AI to really help facilitate communication, to make sure the team really understands the children that we are working with. But here's what I got for you today. So this is an app that will help us create a handout to explain to the teacher. I could also make one for the parent, but in this case, I want to explain to the teacher a child who is autistic and has a lot of anxiety. Now, I wanted to add in a little additional information here, just something that's important to know about the child. I'm not going to put any PHI in here because this is not a HIPAA compliant app, but I can put general information like that this child really loves fashion. This child is 8 years old. So I'll mark the 6 to 10 range so that the recommendations for the teacher are applicable. And then it's going to draft some language. And this is really exciting because it's going to make sure that this is a handout that's designed for teachers in the classroom. It is going to not only explain autism and anxiety, but it's going to explain what happens when they intersect and create an understanding of the strengths, the challenges, and what helps for kids with this profile. So I can go in this as I review this and change some things. For example, I actually want the anxiety to be secondary. So because autism is first, but it's going to explain autism in one sentence, anxiety in one sentence, and then when autism and anxiety intersect. Now, for each of these, I can keep or delete any of these that I like. Um, I can change some things in here. You can see that it integrated some personal details about this child that might help orient the teacher. And I just want to make sure that all of these apply to the child. And then same thing for how teachers can help. Look through here, make sure that these are the recommendations that I want. I can add, change anything that looks that I want to be different. And then I'm going to generate the handout. And this is going to create a document in Google Docs, which I can edit, and it will email it to me so I have it for my records. And here's my handout. So again, I want to do a quick edit. I want autism to be first. It just does it that way because it's alphabetical. And now I have a handout that I can print and give to the teacher. I hope that this was helpful and that these kinds of tools are exciting for you. If you go to explainingbrains.com/AI, you'll find a ton of tools, including a link to the upcoming workshop where I'll be teaching even more tools that we can use to really help make this process meaningful for families, children, and everybody on their team. Thanks so much.